Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We'll be coming to you live throughout the day from the Singapore Fintech Festival. And joining me for this segment, we have Leyu Ong. She's the Director for Capital Markets at the Singapore Exchange. And we're going to discuss navigating fundraising for technology companies in Singapore. Leyu, it's great to have you with us.
Hi.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And it's so interesting within the capital market space how everyone is evolving. How would you say investors view technology companies?
There's definitely much stronger interest if you look at the last 5 to 10 years because of the whole ecosystem growing and therefore more investor interest developing. We definitely see a lot more interest both from the issuer and investor perspective to list and raise money in the capital markets here today.
All right, now let's talk about opportunities for U.S. companies. I mean, Singapore Exchange and Nasdaq, we are definitely partners in many ways. What about U.S. companies and their opportunities to raise money in Singapore?
This is where we talk about a very unique partnership with Nasdaq. We have developed an exclusive MOU where we support companies to do secondary listing from Nasdaq to the Singapore Exchange with minimal incremental conditions. So Nasdaq companies can actually enjoy the benefits of being secondary listed in Singapore, in Asia, getting access to diversified Asian investors and Asian liquidity while maintaining their primary listing status on Nasdaq.
All right, now what about the benefits for tech companies? What's the opportunity for listing in Singapore?
If you look at it from an ecosystem perspective, it's very robust here. I mean, we're here at the Singapore Fintech Festival and Switch, which demonstrates a whole of government effort to grow and support technology companies and the whole infrastructure here. So companies that come from the US, for instance, to consider setting up here, they not only manage to raise funds in the capital markets, they should see Singapore as a springboard to develop and tap the whole business system, not just in Southeast Asia, but in Asia Pacific as well.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible. I believe there's over 60,000 people just in attendance here, and it grows every year. Last year, there was over 45,000 people, and now it's going to be double that soon because of the interest here.
Yeah, actually, I was unable to get here on time just because the line was so long. So it really shows and demonstrates the level of interest, and that corresponds to the level of people looking at technology and how companies can disrupt and innovate the whole ecosystem as well.
All right, Leyu, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for joining me on Nasdaq Trade Talks from the Singapore Fintech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.